physics assignment solutions dated on August 20. First question, an inductance stores energy in the, he gave electric field, magnetic field, resistance of the coil, electric and magnetic field. So in the solenoid, okay, so in inductance only magnetic field energy will be induced due to only magnetic field, okay, not the electric field. So second option is correct. And the second question, if n is the number of turns in a coil, the value of self inductance varies as. So he gave you about coil, he gave you coil. So for that coil, self inductance formula is L is equal to mu naught pi n square r by 2. Okay, so what he told you, the number of turns in the conductor in a coil, he gave you that as n, self inductance varies as. So what is that relation here? L is directly proportional to n square. Okay, so which option is correct? That is option number 3. Next, third question, the self inductance of a long solenoid cannot be increased. So self inductance of long solenoid, what is the formula? For that, L can be written as mu. Mu means that can be written as mu naught mu r. So we can write that as mu naught mu r n square al. Okay, so where n is nothing but number of turns per unit length. Okay, so he gave you that the number of turns. Here, the third question, the self inductance of a long solenoid cannot be increased. Means here this is the self inductance. So self inductance depends upon the medium as well as number of turns per unit length as well as area. Okay, so first option, increasing the area of cross section, means here inductance is depending on area, so that is depending. Next, increasing the length, yes, L is directly proportional to L. Next, third option, changing the medium with greater permeability. So if mu r value is more, then L value is also more, so that is also depending. Next, fourth one, increasing the current through it. Is there any current in this one? No. So self inductance is independent of current. So here by increasing the current, we cannot increase the self inductance. So which option is correct? That is fourth option is correct. Next, fourth question. When a number of turns in a long solenoid are doubled, then coefficient of self-inductance of the solenoid is self-inductance. So that can be written as this one only. We can write that as L is equal to mu naught n square a by L. N square a by L. Already I told you small n is nothing but capital N by L. If you write that, LL will cancel, then here you will get L. Okay. So what he told you, what is changed? Number of turns is doubled. Means here we can write this as L is directly proportional to N square. So from that we can write L1 by L2 can be written as N1 by N2 whole square. So what he told you, number of turns is doubled. Means here final one is double times the initial one. So we can write like this, that is 2n1. Means in place of n2 we can write 2n1. So n1 cancel, then 2 square is nothing but 4. If you do cross multiplication, you will get that value as 4 times L1. Okay, means how many times increased? 4 times. 4 times means that is quadrupled. Okay, so option number 3. Next, fifth question, a constant current I is maintained in a solenoid. Which of the following quantities will increase if an iron rod is inserted in the solenoid along its axis? Okay, suppose this is the solenoid. Imagine this is the solenoid. Now in this, what is introducing? iron rod is introducing in this solenoid. Okay, but here current is the same, passing through the solenoid is the same. Okay. Now if this is increased in this one, what will increases? So here this is the long solenoid, so this solenoid will produce magnetic field inside this solenoid, that is only mu naught Ni. So this is the iron magnetic material. Whenever it is entered, then it also produces some magnetic field. So magnetic field due to iron, magnetic field due to solenoid. So two magnetic fields will be there. Then we have to add that two magnetic field. So here magnetic field is increasing. So if the magnetic field increases, then flux passing through that also increases. Okay. So if the flux passing through that is increasing, then self-inductance also increases. So first option is magnetic flux linked with the solenoid, that is also increasing. Next, self-inductance of solenoid, that is also increasing. Magnetic field at the center, that is also increasing. So fourth option is all of them. So fourth one is correct. Okay. Sixth question. When the rate of change of current in a coil is unity, the induced EMF in the coil is equal to. Sixth one. So induced EMF, what is the formula? L into di by dt. Actually minus L is there. So here I am taking only magnitude. Okay. So here rate of change of current is unity. Unity means that is 1. So E is equal to L into 1. Then what is this one? That is nothing but L. L into 1 is L. So what is that? That is self-inductance. Coefficient of self-induction. So fourth option is correct. Next, seventh question. The self-inductance of a long straight conductor. Long straight conductor. So what is that? Number of turns per unit length. Here long straight conductor means we can take length as infinity. So something by infinity is always 0. Then what about that self-inductance? Coefficient of self-inductance, that will be 0. So that is seventh question. Next, eighth question. Which of the following units denotes the dimensions ml square by q square? So ml square by q square. ml square by q square. Okay. So what is asking? Denotes the dimension where q denotes the electric charge. Okay. So here ml square. Now q is nothing but a charge, that can be written as current into time. So current can be written as I and the time is t. But what is there? Square is there. So we can write like this, square. So finally it will become ml square. T square will come up, it will become t power minus 2. I square will come up, then it will become I power minus 2. So this dimension formula represents self-inductance, coefficient of self-inductance. So which option is correct? Coefficient of self-induction means what is the unit? That is nothing but Henry. Okay. So that is nothing but Henry. That is the scientist name. So symbol will be capital letter H. Next, ninth question. A long solenoid of length L, cross section A, having n turns has wound about its center a small coil of n2 turns as shown in figure. The mutual inductance of two circuits. Mutual inductance of two circuits he asked you. So mutual inductance means first we have to find flux. Now I am finding flux passing through the second coil when current is passing through the first coil. First coil is the primary circuit and the second coil is the secondary circuit. So that's why here I am taking second one. Second one. So phi 2 can be written as, what is the formula? Phi is equal to NBA. Then we can write this as N2 B1 A1. We can write that as N2 B1 A1. So here B1 is the magnetic field produced due to first solenoid. So first solenoid means What is the formula? That is N2 into mu naught Ni by L. This is the magnetic field produced due to solenoid. But in which one? First one. So we can write like this: mu naught N1 I1 by L into A1. So in options A is there, so means both the areas are there. So simply we can write that as A. Okay. Now I am changing this like this. Here mu naught N1 N2 A by L into I. Okay. Now I am comparing this equation with phi is equal to Mi. Phi is equal to Mi. Why? Because we have to find here mutual inductance. Mutual inductance. That's why in place of M this value is there. So we can write that M as mu naught N1 N2 A by L. Okay, so which option is correct for the ninth one? That is the second option. Next, 10th question. In a solenoid, if a number of turns are doubled, the self-inductance are number of turns is doubled. Means here before we did one problem. Initial one is n, then final number of turns is 2n, doubled. It became doubled. Then here we know self-inductance. He is asking to find self-inductance Ng. So self-inductance is directly proportional to square of number of turns. So L1 by L2 can be written as N1 by N2 whole square. Okay. So that is N by 2n whole square. Here n will cancel. Then you will get that as 1 by 4. Then L2 will be 4L1. Okay. So how many times it became? 4 times. So that is answer is quadrupled.